This video is a quick overview of this EKO automatic soap dispenser. First, here's a list of soaps the manufacturer says you can use. Oh, it works with everything from sanitizing gels to shampoo and body wash. Inside the box, you'll find three things: the soap dispenser, a well-written manual, and a USB charging cable. One of the main reasons I picked this dispenser is because it's rechargeable. No more swapping out batteries. Plus, you can still use it while it's charging. Here's a quick tip for you. If the dispenser hasn't been used for a while, it might need a quick cleaning. Here's how to do that. Fill the tank with warm water. Place the dispenser over the sink or a container and turn it on. You'll see the blue light flash. Push the power button twice. When the blue light flashes continuously, hold the power button down. The dispenser will now pump out the warm water, cleaning itself in the process. With all these features, a rechargeable battery, easy to fill with just about any kind of soap, this EKO dispenser is a great value. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.